You're right, lads and lasses. Today I'm going to be going to Reptile Expo. If anything, I want to take you guys with me just to show you what I do. I usually go to Reptile Expo a lot. We're going to learn a bit about snakes and snake handling and how to care for them, especially for someone like me who always travels a lot. Before we get into the meat of this video, I do just want to lay it out there. I'm just going to bring it out now. I do have a massive zit on my lips right now. It's very inconvenient. I can't help it though. I just woke up this morning and it was there and it was like, hello. I was like, bloody hell. So I'm stuck with this for today. Get used to it. Go ahead, laugh it up, fuzzball. You done? Cool. Now that we're done with that, we can finally get right into the video. I can't wait to take you guys to Reptile Expo. Right after Timmy's. Classic Timmy's.
Thanks, eh?
So, basically, all the exotic pet vendors from the GTA, that is Toronto, and the outskirts around, probably in all of Ontario, as well as vendors from Montreal, all gather around here for Reptile Expo. Is that? You alright, mate? What brings you here?
I don't know, I'm afraid of reptiles. Maybe I'm trying to get over my fear of reptiles.
Are you serious? Do you want to be in the video?
Sure.
So today I'm actually joined by my mate Alex.
Hey.
He's a pirate.
Arr.
Hey. Arr.
Today we'd be looking at reptiles.
And we're going to get over his fear as well.
That's the plan.
Come on, mate. Let's go. So Alex, how long have you been afraid of reptiles?
Ever since that snapping turtle showed up in the pond back at home.
Did it snap you?
Almost. Like I've almost walked into it a few times.
It's actually like very deadly when it does snap. Well, not deadly. It's actually like really painful and very hard to get rid of.
Probably bite through most shoes.
Right.
I wear.
But yeah,
maybe not the steel toes.
The
Wearing steel toes these days.
Very nice. Kick ass. And I'm not gonna lie. This is like I don't condone animal abuse, but if a snapping turtle were to snap me, I would probably try to kick it as like a reaction.
It's probably a bad idea.
Gotta make a move to a town that's right for me.
I know he looks like he wants to bite me, but I'm just saying that he's thirsty.
Town to keep me moving, keep me grooving with some energy.
Welcome to the Reptile Expo. This is where I come about every twice a year, and I like to go around and see all of our little critters, little buddies. Forewarning, if you are afraid of spiders or arachnids, you probably want to turn off away from this part of the video. This one looks a lot like Sheila. Her Latin name, at least the species name, is the Aphonopelma gibili. She's a cool one. What's her name? The Sericopelma, okay, the Lacidora. Two female are worth in the triple digits usually in price. I imagine the Redney. Correct me if I'm wrong, arachnid lovers, but I'm actually really bad with the Latin names. I only know them by the common names like the Mexican Redney. Do you have any particular favorites?
As far as tarantulas? Not really.
Would you ever consider a tarantula pet?
I don't 100% know what to feed them.
Crickets.
So not really
Usually crickets. What is his or her name?
His name is Pippin.
Good to meet you, Pippin. Like the Lord of the Rings?
Yeah, like the Lord of the Rings.
Nice. I actually have a tarantula, which I named Sheila.
I love it.
Hello, Pippin. It's good to meet you.
He doesn't really like other people so much.
Sure.
But
Then I think this is a fair distance to keep.
yeah.
Yeah. I don't want to agitate Pippin. That's so cool. What type of bird is he?
He's a pigeon. He's a classical frill.
He's a pigeon?
Yeah.
He looks like no other pigeon I've seen before in my life.
Yep.
Is he dyed or like?
Nope, that's his color. Yeah.
Wow.
We breed them. We breed them for companionship. So. Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
So domesticated pigeons?
Yeah.
That's fantastic. If you're interested, please check these guys out here. I'll be keeping this card and I'll link it in my video.
Thank you.
No worries.
Have
Thank
a
you
good
so
show,
much.
eh?
Yeah,
Take
likewise.
care.
Enjoy. Peace. It's a small world indeed, but I'm actually joined by my mates here. Well, you know Alex already. This is Jess and Jeremy.
Hello.
Hey, are you guys okay with real names or?
Oh yeah,
screen
yeah,
names?
it's
Okay,
fine.
cool, nice. Yes, one take. No need to redo. Do you guys have any preference for reptiles or exotic pets, or do you have any fears like Alex?
I am a little bit arachnophobic, so I do fear tarantulas a bit.
We can try and cure that and go as close as you're comfortable with.
I'll try my best, yeah.
Alex is afraid of turtles here, so we're going to try and cure that.
You don't like turtles? I had a snapping turtle in the pond once. So, you know. Oh, did it get you?
My favorite though are leopard geckos.
Leopard geckos?
Yeah.
You're in the right place. We have plenty of those.
Oh yeah, I saw them.
Jess loves this one for its smile. And this one loves the camera.
Yeah. Giving up all the attention.
Oh, look at her giving a little pose. This one's the electric tangerine, and obviously she's the one who loves the camera. She loves the attention. And this one is also trying the same thing but fell asleep. Guys, check it out, baby geckos. I never knew how big their heads were when they're babies. How out of proportion they are to their bodies. I think they have a third eye at the very top of their head. The third eye is to deter predators. When birds would fly overhead, they have the eye where they notice a bird flying overhead or a shadow creeping over them, and then they can run and hide. Obviously, it's a defensive evolutionary trait.
Yeah, sounds pretty useful.
Arg.
Here, might as well get some of that. That's perfect.
Wow.
Thank you.
Look at her.
Got big roaches.
Oh, she's on the camera now.
Drop them in there.
Oh, that's fantastic footage though.
Not roaches.
There we go.
Nice. Sorry about that.
No, it's good. I'm sorry, my bugs got on your camera.
No, it's all good. That's a roach?
Yep, that's a discoid roach.
We got a jumper.
This one's Clamps, the scorpion, named after Futurama. Give them the clamps, Clamps.
The emperor scorpions tend to be very well behaved. Same with this
So this is the Mexican redneck?
Mexican red leg.
Wow, look at her pattern.
Her name's Precious.
Oh,
And
she is precious.
She's about 7 or 8 now. So with the old world tarantulas, they don't flick the hairs. They have the bites you want to avoid. This one, it can bite, but its first line of defense would be flicking these hairs out on its abdomen.
So she's a new world.
She's bald, but that's not because she's been flicking out hairs. It's because everyone's been petting her a little bit too heavily.
Oh, there's her abdomen here. So I actually have a spider as well. I have a Grammophila portia.
Well, and I'm blanking on the common name.
The black Brazilian, black Brazilian.
Black Brazilian.
Yeah,
they are
that's
like
right.
dogs.
They're
spider
so
bodies,
docile, yeah.
Yeah. They take forever to grow, but once they get there, they're just so awesome.
That's right. That is my first. Yeah.
Nice.
Looking
Good
to get.
choice.
Yeah.
Brazilian blacks are, yeah.
Thank you so much. The red knee's also like another common one too. What a
This one
beauty.
just got named recently. That's Curly Sue.
Curly Sue. Hi, good to meet you, Curly Sue. Let's have a nice.
There we go. It's very photogenic.
Oh, Curly Sue, everyone. Curly Sue. All right, this is character development arc right here. Alex, this is your anime right now. Are you ready to go
I
find
think
this
so.
turtle?
Yeah, I'd really like to, suppose, interact with a turtle or tortoise. Yeah, exactly.
Commence the handling of the turtle. Aw.
Yeah, I used to have snapping turtles on my pond, so. Aw. He's really chill.
He has a fear of turtles, so we're getting over it.
Yeah.
That's it. That's right, slow and steady.
Thanks a lot for letting me hold the turtle, and my pleasure. Yeah, elucidating me on their diet.
Would you say you're cured of your fear?
I think so. Maybe snapping turtles I might still keep an eye out for.
That was the greatest anime boss fight arc I've ever seen in my life.
Do what you want, 'cause a pirate is free. You are a pirate.
And here we are with a bunch of these baby snakes.
These are colubrids, so there's cord snake, milk snakes, and king snakes.
There are so many patterns around here. Look at this one, a Halloween themed one. I want it. You know what they say about snakes?
Don't know.
Red next to black, jump the fat back. Red and yellow, cuddly fella.
But red is next to black.
Yeah, I don't know. It's fine. He's been milked, I should think.
Don't get me wrong, I love Shelob and I love my arachnids, but snakes are just a lot more interactive. With a pair of hypnotic eyes and an illustrious pattern, how can I resist coming home, potentially with a scaly companion? The only deterrents are the digits on those price tags.
Do the price usually differ based on
the genetics.
the genetics? Okay. What would you say is like the range from the cheapest to like the very
They can
expensive
start
one?
off at $100 all the way up to $5,000, $7,500,
Yeah.
even higher. Very wide price range.
See this one, 700. The red need spot, 66% clown. I think this is clown. Rat snake. Whoa. This one's a cool one too. To start out for a good snake, if you're starting out as a snake owner, you probably want to aim for the ball pythons. For newbies, ball pythons is what you want to do, because ball pythons are the most chill snakes. I literally was just holding one, but my friends weren't around to record me. But I love handling them. They're like, they'll watch a movie with you. They'll happily like wrap around your neck. They'll be extremely cool. Oh my various gods, what a fantastic cool pattern snake right here. The black and white California king snake. I'm guessing these are all king snakes here? Yes, by the looks of it. Oh, sorry sir. How are king snakes for beginners? First time snake owners.
Are a pretty good one for beginners. The only thing that's going to be a little rickety with beginners is king snakes are all about the food. So if you're not totally well versed with handling snakes, one tip I can give you with the king snake is don't go in there with your hands.
Right.
Don't go open his tank, go to reach in and grab him, because that first thing he sees, he's going to think it's dinner time, he's going to grab it every time. Besides that, you got nothing to worry about. You can go in there with a hook, you can pick them up, they're great to handle, they don't get too big, they don't get too small. You never have to worry about them not eating like a ball python does sometimes.
I'm actually trying to find a ball python. This pattern would be really cool, but ones that are looking more like black in pattern. I kind of like darker patterns.
I think the black and white is kind of hard to find a good combination with that. Like king snakes, you're gonna find a lot more blacks and whites in them. Ball pythons, once you get the right chain combinations, they start turning to white. Oh. But even a lot of ball pythons, as they age, their colors change. They all start to dull out.
How's your chakra energy?
It's fine, it's fine.
I feel like I could use more chakra in my life, like one of these.
Natural hematite. It's really high in iron,
High in iron, perfect. So guys, should you want to raise your chakra energies, this is the place to go.
Yeah, we work with miners all around the world. We mostly focus on raw crystals. So this stuff is all from around Ontario that we mined ourselves.
The north, I imagine. It's very rich up there.
Yeah. So up like Bancroft, like Thunder Bay area. So this is like all from around Ontario.
I really like this blue one.
Yeah, sodalite, amazonite,
Amazonite.
some amethyst. This is a calcite.
See, it's not all about reptiles and animals. As great as they are around here, there's also many vendors that come around, you know, they go out mining for these materials right here. That's so sick. And you can even like indulge with the art for your pets as well.
These are called highlight opals. They have trace amounts of uranium. So with the UV light,
oh my god, they become green. They're like uranium glass. That's really cool.
It's just the natural.
So it's natural, yeah?
Wow. That's exactly what you see in like The Simpsons, you know? When like, unfortunately, I will be leaving Reptile Expo empty-handed today. However, good news is I now have a deposit on a snake. He is a ball python. I can't wait to bring him home. Basically, I'm here now, grabbing a bunch of containers and a heat pad, getting everything set up for my new snake. I cannot wait to show you guys my new snake very soon.